148 018 Tennessee Beavis. Waving. Happy birthday, man.
I appreciate it, man. I appreciate you letting me know. The wind is sitting, man. They don't know about it. Still gonna be around South Carolina. How do you every year, here I go. You say you got that hammer down. You say you're gonna get it too close. You say you're taking off stuff in here, man.
PistolGripp 018 Tennessee Beavis. Got you. I'm waving, buddy.
Uh-oh. Watch out, 8270. Watch out for the Novocaine. 0148 Novocaine. Waving. I'm Stomper.
Pistol, I heard you in there, my friend. I don't know how it is up there, but I'll tell you how it is down here. It's rough and tough in Tennessee. I don't know how it is up there, PistolGripp, but it's rough and tough in Tennessee on this Saturday night. Hope everybody up north's having a good one. 018 Tennessee Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper, rolling the gate with the wave.
Hey there, yo, man. It's a big old mess around the corner tonight, man. I thought I heard Ricochet up in there. I got 270, 225. We got a little bit of Beavis up in there. Oh, man. You say you're going to go flip and duck, huh?
Roger, PistolGripp. Sounding good in Tennessee, man. Hey, PistolGripp. Sounding good in 10. I heard my friend 434 out there, too. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know if I can make it, but, hey, 434. I don't know if I can make it to you, 434, but 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
You got that Novocaine down on 160. I case you don't want to shucks. You're doing your thing. 8270, come on up in my radio. I want to hear 0148 New York.
Yeah, it's kind of rough out there. 148's got them all down. He's having his birthday celebration, I guess. So 148's having some kind of birthday celebration and keeping the channel locked down. But anyway, I hope everybody's having a good evening. 018 Tennessee Beavis on the broken down Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Hey, Donkey Stomper Beavis, you got a grip? 395, Central New York leaving.
Hello, 395. Hello, 395, Central New York. Sounding good in Tennessee, man. Appreciate you hollering. Hope you're having a good weekend. 018 Beavis in 10 with the wave.
225, well, you're pulling back. Got him cooking low and slow. You don't want to burn duck. You don't want to do much work. Low and slow. And you're watching that TV, that TV, I can feel it. 20 degrees, so you can tell. Hey, 225, you said you're watching that TV, so.
Now, 395, I think you come back to me, man. I really do, but, I don't know who 148 is talking to, but he's got his eyes locked on one person, and, whew, he's tying the channel up. Happy birthday, 148. 148, happy birthday from 018 Tennessee Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper, rolling the gate.
Right now, 434 New Jersey, well, funny Mother Nature reading it out. Right now, my home grandma's right here right now. Take that shit. Crazy beast. Look at that balance. Look at what. Hey, 123 Ranger. That's deadly right there.
Hey, Pistol. Hey, PistolGripp, I don't know what you're doing, but you locked down the channel for a minute there. Hey, PistolGripp, had you 20 over down here in Tennessee for a minute, man. 018 Beavis waving. Pistol, I got you loud and proud that time. I got you loud and proud, my friend PistolGripp. You said I almost got that duck plucker where I want it. I almost got that where I want it. Hey man, it's tough down here in Tennessee. It really is. It's hard to even make out one person. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. 018 Tennessee Beavis. Rolling the video gauge, standing by. Hey, 148, I heard you. Hey, 148, I heard you all by yourself when you said it all. Happy birthday, Mr. 148, 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Hey, ShotGunn, what's up? Might play a gate back on for Ricochet or somebody else, man, but yeah, I don't think he's gonna be out here tonight, man. He's out about, you know, hobnobbing with the wifey and friends there. Hey, Ricochet and Georgia, 434 in the car, come back out.
Shame on you, 434. Hey, 434, shame on you coming to here like that, man. You just blow me out. 018 told you that.
Yeah, 410 runs right on. Yeah, he been here and going, man. He's got limited talk time, man. If he just came back out, he's on limited talk time. I got a present for the birthday boy. Hey, Ricochet, I got a little something for that birthday boy. Ricochet, you're worldwide. Oh, you're well, y'all got bigger with 10%, dude. I couldn't tell who what's that, man? That doggone truck and that shotgun. Now coming back to the Carolinas, man.
Pistol, I heard you say, hey, PistolGripp, I heard you say you had something for the birthday boy. I heard PistolGripp say he had something for the birthday boy. I never did catch what it was. But I did hear Pistol say he had something for the birthday boy, 018 10-5.
What he was trying to tell you is, here comes birthday boy right here. Tell Pistol that 148 birthday boy in New York just put that hammer on his head. He was trying to tell you birthday boy yes, 148 put that 100 birthday sledgehammer on his head. I'm not quiet.
Hey, 148, I talked to my radio. 148, talk to my radio. I heard you say that PistolGripp was saying the birthday boy is coming my way. 148 said the birthday boy was coming my way, and that's what PistolGripp wanted to tell me. Oh man, y'all are a mess, but you're both loud, and y'all are taking turns. Y'all are taking turns down here in Tennessee. 018, stand by.
Taking turns, and everybody gets a turn to burn from time to time. Hey, 018, we won't get a turn to burn. How the old 148 weekend. The birthday boy up here around the boogie down Bronx. Happy birthday first. The birthday boy waiting for the band. I see you.
All right, 148, I appreciate the comeback. Yeah, man, it's a... Everybody gets so much and they put it out there and throw it down, and once you put so much out there and throw it down, it ain't up to us no more. It's all up to that Mother Nature. Like I said, once we key up so many watts, put it out there and throw it down, and the rest of it's up to Mother Nature. You never know who's going to be on top. You never know what's going to happen. It comes out different every time. Hope you all have a good weekend. Happy birthday 148 018 Beavis, standing by.
That's what it's all about. From time to time, you can put it all out there, right? And yeah, it's all up to Mother Nature. That's what it's all about. Mother Nature, that's for sure. You can put up as much power as you want. Mother Nature decides who she's going to flip and flop. All right, 018 Beavis is out of choice up there. Have a good weekend, my friend. 73 to you and yours. Enjoy.
Bye, 148. Bye, 148. I'm standing by for a few more minutes here.
212, launch goal 30.
I don't really know what all's going on out there. It's tough, but I heard 212. I heard 212. I heard 212. I'm trying to call everybody out here. 212, 212. I hear you. Got you on the gate. 018. Standing by.
Let's get crazy on it. There's no mic here. Your pistol around here. Man, I'm gonna ease out the way. You know, I got it down there 2 minutes from the shore, man. Can't bring you say I'm politicking between y'all two. I reckon they can't hear. Take care. 1, 2, 3, that other truck.
Hey, shotgun, I'm gonna try it one time. I don't know if they'll let me or not. Shotgun, 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 and more shotgun. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the weekend wave. I heard you. Try to call your name and try to call everybody here. I'm gonna get them on the gate. 018 wave.
There's no more mic game left in this dump bucket.
Well, that time it was all PistolGripp. Hey, PistolGripp, 127. That time it was all you, my friend. 127. That time it was all you. We're reading about.
Knockout. Knockout to home. Because every day they ran about a half an hour ago, Beavis. Hey, Beavis, I got a kid up a little too high, I think. Beavis, pistol got down.
Roger on kid up too high. But I got caught like I heard it. I tried to call everybody's name. I heard 434 in there too. 434 was on your Kool-Aid, PistolGripp, but you was in there and he was coming in on your Kool-Aid. 018, rolling the game.
801. Around 10, Excalibur, east side, East Carolina's looking bigger.
Excalibur, I talked to my radio and you just took over. Excalibur, you just took sole control of my radio in Tennessee, man. Good evening. I got you on the gate. I hope you're having a good weekend. 018 later. Roger, Excalibur. Hey, man, you're sounding good. It's rough and tough. That time I had Excalibur, I had 434, I had 148, and I had PistolGripp. One at a time. I ain't got no separators. 018 said that.
Welcome back to the world of radio. It's been fun. East to the side. Down.
Bye, Mr. Excalibur. Bye, Mr. Excalibur. Appreciate you hollering. I heard you too, 434. I got about 14 minutes and 18 seconds, which is way past my time. Hey, I'm supposed to end this thing in 10 minutes, not 14 minutes. I've been on here way too long, listening to y'all all battle it out. Like I said, 10 minutes is my max. I've gone 14. I'm going to end this gate. I hope you all have a good rest of the weekend. It's time for 018 to get back over here on the workbench and get out of the way. Y'all have a good evening. 018 Tennessee Beavis saying bye. I'll see you.
All right, Beavis, take care, man. We kind of rolled out your way. Take care, Mr. Beavis. Around them hills. Way out east where the ocean meets the land. Getting on down. Good, fine, ain't nothing.
Bye, Excalibur. Bye, Excalibur.
Crush, goddamn.
Bye, 148. Bye, 434. Bye, PistolGripp. I'll see you. That's all she wrote.